Welcome back to Learn Arabic with Manar. Last week we talked about adjectives in Arabic, how to form them in masculine, feminine, plural, superlative, comparative, and we saw some examples. After filming the lesson, it turned out so long for one lesson, so we cut it in half. Today we will continue on the same subject. We will do a summary about all the grammar and we will see more examples. Yalla, let's start. Now let's do a summary about all the degrees so we make things clear. When we have singular noun, we use singular adjective. If the noun has al, the adjective will have al. عطيني الصحن الكبير. Give me the big plate. But if the noun doesn't have al, the adjective won't have al. عطيني صحن كبير. Give me a big plate. When we are comparing between two things like عطيني صحن أكبر, even if I don't have two things here, but I am asking for bigger plate. Here in this case I don't use al on the noun. A bigger plate. عطيني صحن أكبر. Give me a bigger plate. But if I want the biggest plate, I have to use al on the noun. So it is the biggest plate. عطيني الصحن الأكبر. Give me the biggest plate. Again, عطيني صحن كبير. Give me a big plate. عطيني صحن أكبر. Give me a bigger plate. عطيني الصحن الأكبر. Give me the biggest plate. Now let's take another set of adjectives, new and old. New is جديد, old is قديم. We will see masculine and feminine, plural, comparative and superlative. Okay, let's start with new, جديد. جديد, masculine. جديدة, feminine. جداد, it is plural. أجدد من, newer than. الأجدد, the newest. قديم, old, masculine. قديمة, old, feminine. أقدم, old, plural. أقدم من, older than. الأقدم, the oldest. Let's see some examples. هاي السيارة صارت قديمة كتير. بدي وحدة أجدد. This car became so old. I need a newer one. هاي السيارة, this car. Because our noun is feminine, we are using the feminine demonstrative هاي. صارت, became, also this is a feminine. قديمة, old, كتير, too much or so much. بدي, I want. وحدة أجدد, a newer one. هاي السيارة صارت قديمة كتير. بدي وحدة أجدد. اشتريت التليفون الأجدد. I bought the newest phone. اشتريت, I bought. التليفون, the phone. الأجدد, the newest. Here, because we have the superlative, we have to have al on the noun. التليفون, الأجدد, because also the superlative has al. اشتريت التليفون الأجدد. وين حطيت المفاتيح لقدام? Where did you put the old keys? وين حطيت, where did you put المفاتيح, the keys, القدام, the old. وين حطيت المفاتيح لقدام? There are other adjectives that they are using the same form like كبير and صغير, جديد and قديم. We will see them in the future, and there's other kind of pattern for other kind of adjectives. We will see this also in the future. If you like, use the adjectives that we learned today in examples and sentences and leave me a comment about them, and I will check them for you. If you have any other suggestions about other adjectives, also leave me a comment and I will include them in future lessons. Now let's go over our words and sentences for today. Small, صغير masculine, صغيرة feminine, صغار plural. Smaller than أصغر من. The smallest الأصغر. Big كبير masculine, كبيرة feminine, كبار plural. Bigger than أكبر من. The biggest الأكبر. Give me the big plates. أعطيني الصحون الكبار. Give me a big plate. أعطيني صحن كبير. Give me a bigger plate. أعطيني صحن أكبر. Give me the biggest plate. أعطيني الصحن الأكبر. New جديد masculine, جديدة feminine, جداد plural. Newer than أجدد من. The newest الأجدد. Old قديم masculine, قديمة feminine, قدام plural. Older than أقدم من. The oldest الأقدم. This car became so old. I need a newer one. هي السيارة صارت قديمة كتير. بدي وحدة أجدد. I bought the newest phone. اشتريت التليفون الأجدد. Where did you put the old keys? وين حطيت المفاتيح القدام؟ I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you like today's lesson, give me a thumbs up and share it with your friends. If you are not subscribed yet, make sure to subscribe and click the notification bell so you will be notified about my new lessons. See you next week. Yalla bye.